Have you ever thought about using flat lashes or clear adhesive, but you're not really sure where to start or what to try? Today, we're going to look at the goodies that we got from Eyelash Addict in the summer 2019 BeautyPro Box. Let's get started. Hey guys, Emily here with BeautyPro Media, where our aim is to inform, empower, and inspire beauty pros just like you through our reviews, event coverage, pro tips, interviews, and fun stuff. If you like our videos and you want to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. All links and information mentioned will be posted in the description box below, so be sure to check that out as well. Alright, let's get to it. Welcome to another video for the Summer 2019 BeautyPro Box series. One of our featured vendors is Alberta's own Eyelash Addict. Let's talk about what you got. First, if you take a look at your BeautyPro Box postcard, you'll see a coupon code for 25% off your next order with Eyelash Addict. Thank you, Christy and Sandy. Now, on to the goodies. Let's take a look at this tray of lashes. They are a mixed tray of ultra flat C-curl lashes from 9 to 12 millimeters. And don't let the 0.20 diameter label fool you. These lashes are so soft that you would think that they were mislabeled. Now, those of you who have been following me for a while probably already know that I don't routinely use diameters more than 0.12 because I personally don't like the feeling of thick, stiff lashes. But these don't feel like your grandma's 0.20s. In fact, they don't look like them either. Here's how they look under magnification. They aren't just flat lashes, they are concave into almost like a bow tie shape. So they are actually flatter than flats, if that makes any sense. Here they are from the top view. They are the same width as your ordinary 0.20s, but if you look at them from the side profile, they are super thin, equivalent to a much thinner lash. That's what makes these 0.20 looking lashes safer for wear for more clients. So you would use these ultra flat lashes in the same way that you would use a classic lash, but when your client wants a thicker result without the added weight. You want to apply to the top or the bottom of the natural lash, not so much on the side. Because of its unique bow tie shape, you want the natural lash to get nestled into one of the grooves. Also, something to be aware of is when you dip your ultra flat lash into adhesive, it will naturally want to fill the divot up. So you'll want to tap off or swipe off that little bit of extra adhesive so that you can better control your adhesive and not use too much by accident. So I'm gonna get a set of these put on myself to see how they feel and how they last, and I'll report back on my findings in a review video later on, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, so next, let's look at this bottle of clear fixation. This adhesive's favorite conditions are 20 to 24 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity of 30 to 55%. As mentioned in some of our past videos, if you are partially curing too fast, you can adjust to it by picking up just a touch more adhesive to give yourself a bit more playtime. If you have never used a clear adhesive before, you are in for a treat. There is a little bit of a learning curve just because it's harder to see just how much you're dipping, but once you get used to it, you will be fine. This particular adhesive is great for volume and for beginners. It's just a tiny bit thicker than Eyelash Addict's intervention, so it doesn't wick up the fan quite as easily. Clear adhesives are great to use with colored lashes on clients who are allergic to carbon black or even just for everyday use. I personally love using clear. You can store this adhesive in the freezer for up to 1 year until you're ready to use it. Once you crack it open though, do not put it back in the freezer or fridge. Store it in a cool, dry place and remember to shake it well before use and to clear your nozzle to keep it clean and clog free. So there you have it, the awesome products that we got from Eyelash Addict. Try them out, and if you love these goodies as much as I do, be sure to hit them up to reorder with your exclusive BeautyPro Box discount code. Question of the day: what is your most frequently used diameter that you use for classic lashes? Give us your answer down below in the comments. If you're just joining us, we just showed you how to best use the goodies that we got from Eyelash Addict in the Summer 2019 BeautyPro Box. If you missed out on the summer box, the next one will be the autumn 2019 box, and you can get more information on our website. If you or someone you know would like more information on becoming a featured vendor, please send us a message. All links are down in the description box. Thank you for joining us here at BeautyPro Media, where our aim is to inform, empower, and inspire you through our videos. You could have been anywhere, but you chose to be here with us. And for that reason, we commit to continue being an impartial and authentic resource that you can trust. If you like our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. And until next time, remember that we can all be the change that we want to see in the lash world and beyond. Thanks, guys.